In this video, you're going to learn how to make a copy of a Google slide and to change the information. Just good practices when you're making a presentation. So again, table of contents, solving problems. Here's the solving problems project page. We are on presentation using Google Slides. First step, make a copy of the presentation here, so click that. Again, you have to be logged into your Gmail, so click that. And again, you have to make a copy of it. So File, make a copy, entire presentation. Better launch, make a copy. So this document is mine. When you make a copy, this one's going to be yours, so you can edit this document. Let's try it again. Click, click. Let's see if I'm logged. Okay. File, make a copy, entire presentation. Edit launch, make a copy. Now this is your document. Before we even start moving on it, let's make a link to this and post it on our project page, so that we can get easy access to it. Instead of having to go to Google Drive, we can have everyone can see this on our problem page. So share, restricted, anyone, viewer, copy. Done. Here's our problem page, and let's click here. Enter important links, enter, bullet point, and Control V or right click paste. So it says to replace, just press tab. Check this out. Tab. This is called a smart link or a clip. So it gets the name of the document, it puts it in there, and it just looks better. And there it is. So now you'll have that there. You can always go to Google Drive and find this, but now you have it in two locations, easy access. And by the way, I would star this. Just click a star, so it's easier to find. Instead of having to go to Google Drive, the bookmark is easy. Just star that thing, save. When you open a new tab, it'll show up on the top. The presentation, the bare minimum is just to change the words. You know, like better lunch at Westside High School. Change this text. What's the mission statement? So this is where you'll go into your notes, and these bullet points you're going to make into more of a statement, a bold statement, which is the purpose of a presentation. Visual, it's very visual, a lot of pictures, bold statements, the problem. So what is the problem you're trying to solve? Again, it's just your notes, but you're making it look a little better. And you're fleshing out the text so it makes more sense. Instead of like phrases or half-completed sentences, you might want to have a complete sentence. And so you're deleting things you don't need. Obviously, you don't need these things, so delete that. Just highlight it. Delete. Add a different image, so insert image. You can search the web. It's the easiest way. So, school lunch. Whoop. Just drag it in there. Resize by dragging it around. Change the title or make some caps if you need to. You can customize all this stuff. The solution, what's your solution? Add a picture. If you don't want to add yourselves in there, it's totally fine, but it just makes it more personal. So if you want to delete this slide, just click on this and press delete. How it works, you do need this one. So how is this thing going to work? What's the steps? Again, images help. So if you don't need this stuff, just delete it. Just add images and put them down there. Again, you don't need this one if you don't want to, but if this is like a company you want to start, you can, why are you able to solve this? the best. You know, I'm a student who's actually in lunch. If you don't need it, you can delete that one. So why are we solving this problem? You need that one. So why? Get rid of that one if you want. So you can customize this, but you do need, you know, these basic slides. So the why, how it works, the solution, the problem, the main statement. I mean, technically you don't even need this, but you do need this one. So these you need: problem, solution, how it works, why. And feel free to add more. So click on here, press enter. To make a bold thing, you can just, again, you can drag it in here. Let's just say you want this slide to be about the meat. So, but see how the picture kind of goes, it's not ordered correctly. So you could right click, order, send backward. And you can just change this to, you know, the meats. And then all the other slides after that can be related to meat. Obviously this picture isn't really suitable. Let's just, you know, drag this one in there. You can crop images if you want. If you double click it, you can drag the little black bars. Oh, it's kind of tricky, but double click, there it is. Drag the crop area. Press enter when you're done. Or if you want to do it again, double click it again. Drag the little black bars. Enter. So now just the meats. And you could change the layout. So layout, you could do just, you know, 2 columns, title and body, taco meat. Click here, you can add some bullet points, just like Google Docs, bulleted list, taco meat. Keep things simple, real simple. A lot of pictures, simple things, and that's it. And that's it. You know, make sure you share a link on your problem page. Very important.